Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from coderkovid, and today in this topic we're going to just play over and work with pre-built functions. What are pre-built functions? The functions, those are already built inside the Python that we don't have to code, are called pre-built function. So developers spent lots of tens of and hundreds of hours writing those codes and make it simple for us to use their code as reference. So we can use their codes in just a one-line word. So let's see how to use those if you don't have. So if you know the internal and external commands, then it's okay. If you don't know, internal commands are those commands or codes that are already in Python, that is print, and those are the internal commands. So these are the internal commands. The external command is which you have to import and install inside your software and use it. So Python makes it very much easy so that you shouldn't install it. So you should just do import. So there are lots of things guys to import. So let's say import Python. So let's go to the Python official document and see what are the modules that we can import. So here we don't have that. Packages. Okay, here it's, I think so. So yeah, here it is guys, this import fibo, that is also, this fibo is function that is already pre-built, and other functions are like math and sys. Sys is also a function, and built in this one. So there are lots of functions guys. You can see sound effects, echo, and lots of guys. You can use them to just modify your project. So inside this today's topic, we're going to just see what does import do. Turtle. So it imported me turtle. If I imported turtle, it will trace back error. So import turtle give me the true value, and turtle equals turtle dot turtle. We did it in our first video. So here I want to explain you what we did in that first video. So we first defined variable, then we just connected that variable to the function that is turtle. That means when this turtle is directly associated with the function turtle, so this function says that, and while you do like this turtle dot forward 50, you will be able to see the turtle going forward. And if you do turtle dot right and 1 degree, it will just turn. So like that turtle function work. And how the math function work. There is a math function a pre-built function. So let's see what does math do. Let's print out the math. So it's nothing. So if I do sine of 90, it will show me syntax error, sorry, name error. So we have to do math.sine 90 and it will show me the exact value of sine 90. But what's this? This is not the value of sine 90. Okay, so we will just round off that math.sine 90 and the value is 1. Same as sine 45, the value is 1. So no, the value is not 1 because we did 45, it showed us. So here something is just kind of disgusting, but we will learn, and you can also learn from these online resources, like search in Google like math, import math in Python, and you can see all these in this python.org. So here we will see all about the math function, and you can see, math model gives access to the underlying C library function for floating point of math. So it is directly saying that it is the floating point of math. That means there is no specific value. So if I do bind of 10, okay, bind of 10, it will show me 10, 10. So these are some of the functions, and you can search for a function and just okay, so let's import some of these function. Time, okay, date, from date time import time. So this means from the whole function date time we just have to import time, or we just have to import date, and date equals date dot today, and print out the day. So here you can see 2018 February 12. So that's printed. So what if we have to print the time? Same guys, you can directly import date time, and time equals time dot time. I don't know guys, we have to see it, so it's not given here. Okay, let's print out time. Okay, import from date time import time, time equals time dot time, time dot now. Is it so? No. So you can find all these stops from the Python itself. You can go and check here their site. The link will be in the description box below, and hope you guys like this function, pre-built function video. If you guys do like, please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified every time I publish a new video. And if you do have some friends who are working and struggling for their life of coding, then you can send them this video. So thank you for giving your valuable time to me, guys, and hope to meet you next video.